To change the defaults for items such as your door drawer margins, product materials, and hardware for each product to be added to the order, simply click the pencil icon next to the current room. It is worth noting that the changes made to defaults are merely there as a guide for what the job will follow as you add products. However, all added products will be able to be individually changed to whatever your job specifies. You'll be able to change the name of the room to whatever you desire and also set a description. These changes will not affect anything in the order other than being for your own reference. Scrolling down, you'll be greeted with the supply default options. In our supply defaults, you've got 3 options to choose from: product supply method, hardware inclusions, and an option to select adjustable legs. The product supply method option will highlight how you want the final composition of your job to come to you, either flat packed or assembled. You might note that when you select assembled rather than flat packed, it will auto-select supply hardware without the ability to change. As the job will be put together for you, the hardware needs to be included. If you select flat packed, you'll get the option to have the hardware supplied or not. So that would mean that all of your panels will be drilled to your specifications, but will either come to you with the required hardware or not based on your selection. Lastly, there is an option for your products to come drilled for adjustable legs. To have the adjustable legs included in your order, you'll need to select supply hardware.